Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Today we're looking at the English language, and I have 5 English words on the whiteboard. Let's take a look at them. Bit, man, the, dog, the. If I ask you to arrange these words in a certain order, what order would you put them in? Okay, yep, I agree with that. You may say, sentence 1, the dog bit the man. What's that? Oh, some of you are saying, the man bit the dog. Yeah, things are hard out there. Probably the guy was hungry, he bit the dog. If we take a look at this, they are both correct English sentences. Let's take a look at the word order. We arrange these so we have the dog bit the man, 2, the man bit the dog. These changed, but bit remains in the same place. And that's a big hint about English. In English, there's a certain word order. Notice that this word here, bit, it's an action word. It shows action. In English, we call that action word the verb. And the verb doesn't move. He remains right there. We have the subject that performs the action. Here, the dog does the biting. The man receives the biting. Here is the man who does the biting. The dog receives it. So, before the verb, who or what, if you ask who bit, here's the dog. Who bit, here's the man. Whenever you have a verb and you ask who or what before that verb, we get the subject of the action. Subject. This, the man, and the dog, they are the object. They receive the action. So we just call it object today. But not all sentences have object. Object. And this entire part from the verb, after the verb goes down, is an extension. It's an extension to the sentence. So, in the English language, we have a word order. Subject, verb, plus extension. Sometimes we may have an extension, sometimes we may not. We'll take a look at that later on. And that's very important. So, the word order in English language is subject plus verb, and you may have an extension. Extension, just extend the sentence. Here is who the dog bit. Okay? And that's the simple thing about English. There is a word order, subject plus verb plus extension, and we'll be exploring that as we look at the English language. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com, and I'll see you soon.